Hello and greeting to everyone, especially my lovely viewers. My name is Fikri Kamarul Zaman and today we're gonna be discussing about the female food that are poisonous for cats. And today we have special guest that will join our discussion, and she is my client at my working place. She agreed to volunteer herself to be a part of discussion today. So, and this Miss Nabila. Hello, Miss Nabila. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Nabila. I have 3 cats at home, and one of them is Ochi. Okay, so most of my cats are females, and well, they are all indoor cats and spayed, already spayed.
Actually, cats are super cute. Even you allergic to them, you often find yourself to fighting the urge to pet them. Cats are super cute and have a lot of personality. So naturally, we need them to live a healthy life. And this topic, we need to focus and pay extra attention in this video what they are eating. So, Miss Nabila, can you share some of your experience that poisonous to your
Okay,
pets?
I have one case, I think, that is set to 5 years ago, plus minus like that. And actually, I'm not sure, but the vet diagnosed it has been lead poisoning. Yeah, it's quite shocked and it's new to me. So the cat is, I don't know, like I said, my cat is indoor cat. And when roaming, it's just around that house, just at the garden. Yeah. I got some planted flowers there, and one of them are lily. So they just roam there, and then they start to vomit suddenly and become fetid and suddenly red. I don't know why. I just brought to the vet, and they say it's a poison, but don't know yet at the time. So when the vet asked me about, do I have done something or other case of this poison other than this, I said no, this is first time. And then I said I have done a leaf poison. That is a leaf. So this the vet said that leaf can cause poison to cat.
The human food that can cause poisoning for your cats is, the first one is onion. Onion contains flavonoids and also sulfoxide that can cause damaged red blood cells in their body and cause anemia. The second one is garlic. In cats, they cannot digest garlic inside their body because they have poor digestive system to their body. So it becomes toxicity and harmful for your cats. The next one is dairy milk. For cat that has a digestive system that can cause diarrhea due to dairy product. That dairy product, for example, like cow milk, cheese, yogurt, and others. Chocolate is the most favorite everyone, but not in cat. So chocolate should be not feed to your cat. If you feed your cat with chocolate, you are a good poisonous. This contain sulfite theophylline and tiberine. It can cause your cat diarrhea, vomiting, and also can poison to the nervous system. Okay, based on your experience, can you share with us about what the symptoms that you see that they really can cause poison to your cat?
Okay, at my next pregnancy, she started suddenly inactive. I mean, she always play around, running earlier, and then suddenly just that doesn't want to eat. At first, I thought it just start to sit just like when pets are not healthy, they start to inactive, don't want to eat. So I just brought vet, and then like this is so sudden. It's just like that morning, he's very healthy, running, blah blah. But then around afternoon, like that, he's like quiet suddenly. So not many symptoms. He was so sudden, just suddenly quiet. Then very suddenly, suddenly drooling.
Okay, as a conclusion, what I can share with you that have a lot of human food that can cause poisoning for your cat, such as tomato, mushroom, coffee, and also what I mentioned before. So the best advice for your cat is you give animal food stuff that can have a healthy diet. So here I have some example to show with you. This is animal food stuff for your cat that actually good that you give